Hello YouTube, Daniel here. I got the use of a friend of mine's vehicle who's having without one for a bit, and asked me to take a look at it. And depending on how bad it is, I might actually get it from him. But it all depends on if it's even worth doing anything with. At this point, I'm not really sure. All right, let's go through the codes, see what we got here. We got System 2 Lean, Bank 1. We have O2 sensor heat circuit malfunction, Bank 1 sensor 1. 141. Same thing, bank sensor number 2. We got sensor number 2, same thing, heater circuit malfunction, bank 2. And then the same thing again, heater circuit malfunction. All right, this is where it gets a little bit more interesting because my book doesn't go up to this high of a number. If anyone might be able to tell me what that code might be on that one. And then there's one more code here, 443, which is that one there, evaporation control system purge valve, something, malfunction. All right, in any case, that's the dilemma. Question being now, is it going to be worth my while to fart around with this thing? All right, let me know. Let me know if you know any information with this thing. Yeah, Ford Escape. It's an 03. Supposedly they're not all that great. This one's not in that bad a shape. At least it ain't rotten. But here they don't give very good fuel mileage. Or in any case, if you can help me out, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Just stop by and say hello. Don't forget I also got Instagram. Come see me over there. I do very little over there. Yeah, I gotta start getting some stuff going. Spring is here. Daniel out.